Next step in the script is to tell my guy what to do when the left arrow is pressed. I'm going to show you a few shortcuts to make that part pretty easy. This pair of if commands, if x position is less than 220 and so on, can be duplicated, and that will give you a good start. To duplicate, click the Duplicate tool in the toolbar at the upper right. Then click on the top if just once. You'll see that created a second set of blocks that looks just like the first. And I'm going to tuck that right underneath the first if and inside the forever. Now I want to modify this second set of blocks, and I want to say if the left arrow is pressed, I want to move back 40 pixels or 40 steps. So if the left arrow is pressed, change x by -40. This moves the sprite to the left. And then I need to do one more thing. I need to say if the x position is greater than -220, obey the left key. In other words, if x is greater than this point here, you can obey the left arrow, but if it's less than that, then you don't want to obey the left arrow. So to do that, I'm going to pull this out. I'm going to go to the operators menu and choose greater than, and I want to say if x position is greater than -220. As long as it's greater than -220, I can obey the left arrow. And we're going to put this away. So now if I start my game, I can go to the right and then to the left. Your next step is to use this idea to change the up and down movement of my guy. And there's just one hint I'll give you. The top limit of the screen is y 160. In other words, when you're up here, y is 160. And at that point, you don't want the up arrow to be active any longer. See if you can take that hint and build out the additional steps you need to control the up and down movement of my guy.